another package. Christmas in July. What's up, guys? This is your boy Chris back with another video. Now today, as you guys saw from the little clip that I put in the beginning of the video, you saw I got another package. And here's that package. I'm gonna drop it. That would have been bad. Anyways, you already know there's more car parts. Now, I know what's inside of here, but you don't. So how about I open this up and show you guys exactly what's inside of here. So let's open this package. All right, so I just opened up the box, and honestly, it's a big mess, but I'm gonna show you. So basically what I have are lights, fog lights, for my Honda Civic. Now my Honda Civic doesn't come with these fog lights. So I went ahead and bought some cheap off of eBay again. These are eBay parts. So I don't know if they're good, if they're worth it or not, but hopefully they are. If they are worth it, I'm gonna go ahead and link them down below. But if they're not, I'm not going to do y'all like that. But anyways, here's what one side looks like. I don't know if you can see that, but that's one side of them. One of the lights, I went for the yellow tinted lights. And I mean, it comes with everything you need. It comes with everything you need. All this wiring mess that, honestly, I do not know anything about wiring. So this is low-key a nightmare, but I think I figured it out. I think. And yeah, it's basically what's inside the box. So let's go ahead and install this on the car. Mission failed. I'm gonna give up. I'm gonna see if I can find somewhere to get them installed because I can't figure it out. Oh well. You win some, you lose some, and I guess I lost this one. On to the next mod. Alright, so how I said in my last clip, where I said I was done with this, I was taking an L, but I'm actually back now. I'm gonna go ahead and try to install them. This time it's just gonna be the bulbs and the housing. I'm not gonna try to do the wire because I don't know how to do that. So I'm just gonna run that, you know, for the look, until I figure out how to install them, have somebody do it for me or something, I don't know. But for now, let's go ahead and install the housings and the bulbs. All right, let me tell you something. So you see on the bottom of the bumper, we have obviously all the clips and all the bolts and stuff. Now this car comes with 2 hex nuts that you need to remove. So as I was trying to take that off, I realized I couldn't take one off, and I was struggling for like at least an hour and a half to take one hex nut off, and that's because the whole thing came off from the car. This is where the hex nut screws into, but it came off the car completely, so I couldn't take the damn bumper off for a damn hour because of that. But I finally got the bumper off, so now I'm gonna go ahead and install the fog lights, which honestly I just need to remove a couple screws and put in the new housings and the new bulbs. So hopefully that goes smoother. All right, so I have this painter's tape here that I'm gonna use to cover up the little ports, basically because, like I said, I do eventually want to be able to run these working. So I'm gonna cover that up so no elements could go in there and ruin it, and then when I finally want to plug them in, they don't end up working because of that. So yeah, hopefully that ends up working. So yeah, it's just a little way of taking precaution, you know, nothing too big. So I'm gonna go ahead and wrap these up, and yeah, show you guys when I'm done. All right, so there it is inside. As you can see, it only takes 3 bolts on each. But what you do have to do is drill your holes in, because since this one originally didn't come with the fog lights, the holes aren't drilled through. The little like pilot hole, I guess you would call it, or the little indentation is there, so you just gotta drill that through. It's pretty easy. But yeah, it's in, not going anywhere. So now I gotta put the covering, the housing. Yeah, let's get it. All right, so there it is with the housing and the light. So yeah, for eBay part, it's pretty good. There's no real gaps, but you can see maybe right here. I mean, the few imperfections are just this right here, and maybe right here. But that's probably because it's maybe just my batch that was wrong. But yeah, it came out pretty good looking. I started the other one, but yeah, it's easy. Alright, y'all, so that's basically the finished product. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and leave a thumbs up, comment down below, and yeah, that's pretty much it. Until the next video, see y'all, peace.